what's the spec of the motor?
347 stroker. It's about 400 horsepower and 420 on the torque, which is plenty, you know. But I'm doing more. I'm yanking this all that's coming out. Everything's coming out, and I'm gonna do some different heads. I'm gonna do VTEC fuel injection. I'm doing a slightly different cam. Just a bunch of little things, man. You know, at the same time, I want to do that power steering rack and the power brakes. So, you know, all the little things, man. Here, you gotta see the trunk, though. So I did all that. I had all that sound system put in.
Okay.
Look how I painted this. I painted it to look like an old pair of blue jeans. So that's how the car should have looked. But I did, you know, I did this.
Nice. You got a clear coat on it too, right?
Yeah, I clear coated it. Yeah, and I did this big giant box in here, man. So you know, you got great tunes. You know, really good. But I mean, everything's expensive, man. It doesn't matter what you do. It's freaking everything's $1,000. Everything's this, that, or you know, it's just crazy. It just doesn't stop, man. So
yeah, everything is expensive, and
it's nuts.
But it didn't stop you.
No, it's not gonna either. You know, what's money for? Money's for you and I to get the stuff we want, right?
Okay, tell that to my wife.
Oh well, you know, your wife's gonna have to understand this.
Yeah, she's gonna have to. She really is.
I got the tunes, dude. Hey, now those are the tunes, dude. That's throwing some serious power in there. That's 1,200 watts, man. I'll kick your ass.
There you go.
This thing sounds ridiculous, man. Freaking ridiculous, crazy.
Oh, nice. You got it. You have it. That's a nice built-in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it came out great, man.
Did you do that?
No, I had what was that place? California Sounds. California Tunes or something like that. Oh, okay. Yeah, over there.
What time do you mind trying to do that?
Oh, no, I don't mind.
Okay. You like to hear it.